I wish she wasn't. Okay, so let me come in. Haven't you came all the way here just to say? Yes, you have no idea how long I've been waiting for you. Yes. Are you ready for me?
I was born ready. I'm always ready. Like an Elijah. I'm just looking at you.
Do you like what you see?
Wait, you like it, Dada? So to be the Christmas Malaka, don't you know? Wait, I like it, Dada. Who is there?
It's me, Jessica. Open the door.
Hurry up. Make it finish. Hurry up. Yes, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming.
Baby, I miss you.
No. Next time you can do that, you promise for me.
Let's give you a surprise.
No, you have to tell me. You have to pay payments for me. I'm not inside this room, so if you are telling me you have to call me before you come. There are big ones here. Next time call me. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, who is that? Oh. Hello.
Hey, Dundee, what's up?
Hey, baby, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm on my way to your hotel room.
Where are you?
I'm almost at the door.
Eh?
You hear what I said?
You're not at the door.
I'm almost at the door.
Baby, I'm coming.
Hey, darling.
You look good. Yeah.
So you didn't even call me to wish me a happy birthday.
Your baby. Don't worry about your baby. We'll talk about that one later, okay?
I even ordered for some pizzas from Papa's Pizza.
Papa's Pizza.
They have this special birthday treat idea. You will love it.
Are you serious?
Yes. By the way,
That's why I love you.
before that, let's get to some business. Who's calling you? This is gonna spoil my mood. Huh? So you are my girlfriend? Hey!
I couldn't go. I'm fine with tomorrow. Then I'll be there in a minute. I'm almost at the door.
Again? Oh my God.
Why? What's wrong?
No. I'm doing exercise. I'm doing exercise. You can see. No.
I'm almost at the door.
Why were you keeping on opening the door?
I was doing exercise.
Okay, that's nice.
Hey, baby, you are back.
Yes, I am. And I'm tired. I have to take a cold shower.
Oh, shower.
Yes.
The bag is still coming. They are working on it.
How?
Look,
You, let me check.
They are promising and the cleaners, they are working on it. So they are there right now. They are working on
Don't
it.
be, I'm tired.
Let them finish.
Let me go and shower.
They are working. They are working. The cleaners are there. The promises
Let
are
me check.
there. You want to see them?
Let me hear. I want to see our voice. What is this? I'm tired.
Hey.
Come on, shower. Take me. Don't want me. Hey! Dundee!
I told you that they are working.
What are these?
The promise and the cleaners.
Cleaner. Get out. Shall you get here? Say, you. When I'm not here, this is what you do, man. Hey! What is this? Oh, sir. Oh, really? Marching. Right, sir. is what you do when I'm not around. I will hate it.
Let me explain.
Don't say, I told you. What is that? You do Chinese too. Pass. That's what you do when I'm not around. In fact, go to line up. Join them. This is what you do when I'm not around. In fact, nobody's living here. I like it. Who goes first? Who is that? Who is that? Another woman of yours, right? Another woman of yours. I'll do with you. Don't D.
Look at your face. Who has to come at the same day? Look at the way you are blaming me.
What is it?
Good afternoon, madam. This is room 112 here. Someone from here ordered a special pizza birthday treat.
Oh my God, Dondi!
Yes.
You remembered my birthday, Dondi!
Eh?
Oh, please come in. You remembered my birthday! Oh my God! Oh, Dondi, baby, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much.
I told you that I was surprised you. You see, it's a grand birthday party.
Okay,
Don't you see it?
party.
Yes, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it.
Oh,
I told you I was surprised you. I love you. I cannot cheat on you.
happy birthday, I'm so shy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Dondi look sharp. If you don't be this birthday move there, like Yawa go day. Ah well.
I'm on top of my game. So
Dancing song.
it's a game. Dancing song. No more feeling ashamed. Just be strong. You go conquer the pain.